Hello everyone, this is Mahima from Aditya Gupta classes. So this video is regarding the discussion of the answers of your economics paper. Many students were saying कि एक बार आंसर डिस्कस कर देने के लिए so that you are able to understand कितना मार्क्स आएगा. So this video is regarding the same. अब मैं क्वेश्चन पढ़ूंगी यहाँ पे एंड आई विल बी स्टेटिंग जस्ट द राइट आंसर. मैं सारे ऑप्शंस को यहाँ पे रिपीट नहीं करने वाली, ठीक है. So coming to the first question, group A में 20 questions होता है. Coming to the first question, the monopolist will never set the equilibrium price on that range of the demand curve where elasticity is less than 1. Inelastic portion में कभी भी price set नहीं होता है because MR वहाँ पे negative हो जाता है. Coming to the next one, if the actual earning is rupees 500 and the transfer earning is rupees 350, economic rent कितना होगा? That would be rupees 150. Number 3, if the marginal revenue of the monopolist is rupees 10 and the price elasticity of demand is 2, what will be the price of the commodity? It will be rupees 20. Number 4, concept of price leadership is expressed in the oligopoly model developed by Stackelberg. Number 5, trade, hotel and restaurants are included in tertiary sector होगा ये. Number 6, the Swarna Jayanti Sahari Rozgar Yojana scheme was launched in December 1997. यहाँ पे सिर्फ ईयर दिया है तो 1997 हो जाएगा. Number 7, which of the following is not the is the feature of underdeveloped economy? So that would be all of these. Next question is, HDI stands for Human Development Index. Full form of Niti Aayog is National Institution for Transforming India. Number 10, national income implies NNP at FC. Number 11, Narasimhan Committee appointed by Government of India is mainly related to financial sector reforms. Number 12, which of the following is not a part of the land reform policy? That would be imposition of agricultural tax. Number 13, Learner's Index is related to degree of monopoly power. Number 14, concept of scarcity rent is forwarded by Ricardo. Number 15, in a monopoly market, the slope of the linear AR curve, it would be half of the slope of MR curve, क्योंकि MR का slope double of AR होता है और AR का slope half of MR होता है. Next question, number 16, if price elasticity is equal to 1 in monopoly market, the total revenue will be, total revenue at that portion होता है maximum, which is constant. तो according to the options, it will be constant. Number 17, which of the following types of unemployment is most prevalent in rural India? That would be seasonal unemployment. Going to the next question, what was the primary objective of introducing GST? That was to simplify tax. Which of the following economists coined the term monopolistic competition? That is Chamberlain. The short-run equilibrium under monopoly occurs at rising portion of MC only. So that was your 20 questions from Group A. Now starting on with Group B. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो ग्रुप पी में हम लोग के पास है, दैट इज लॉन्ग रन इक्विलिब्रियम ऑफ अ फर्म अंडर मोनोपोलिस्टिक कॉम्पिटिशन इज कैरेक्टराइज्ड बाय excess capacity and efficiency loss. Number 2, if the price elasticity of demand in the monopoly market is 2, what will be the value of Lerner's index? That would be half, मतलब 0.5. Number 3, Swizzy's model is related to, that is price rigidity. हम लोग पढ़े ये वाला कॉन्सेप्ट कि प्राइस रिजिडिटी होता है Swizzy's मॉडल में, तो ऑप्शन होगा बी, द रीजन बिहाइंड द प्राइस रिजिडिटी ऑफ प्राइसेस. Next question, which of the following is a Navaratna category unit? It would be all of these. All the three that is given, it comes under your Navaratna category. Next is, which of the following schemes is related to your 100 days of guaranteed wage employment? That would be Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. Next question, number 6, the National Program for Nutritional Support to Primary Education is commonly known as Midday Meal Scheme. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ कंडीशन फॉर प्राइस डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. बाकी जो कंडीशंस दिया हुआ है ना, दैट इज एब्सोल्युटली नॉट अ कंडीशन, तो उसमें तुम लोग नहीं लिख सकते, तो इट वुड बी नो रीसेलिंग, जो तुम्हारा एकदम क्लोजेस्ट हम लोग कंडीशन बोल सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज क्वॉसी रेंट. क्वॉसी रेंट इज इक्वल टू प्रॉफिट प्लस TFC. नंबर 9, if the equation of a demand curve in the monopoly market is given by P equal to 10 minus Q, what will be the slope of the marginal revenue curve? That would be -2. Coming to number 10, GDP deflator means the formula is nominal GDP by real GDP into 100. Into 100 दिया नहीं है तो nominal by real होगा simply. Next question, poverty line refers to, it would be minimum line level of income required by a person to meet the basic necessities for a living. Next, coming to IRDA stands for Insurance Regulatory Development Authority. फुल फॉर्म ऑफ नाबार्ड इज नेशनल बैंक फॉर एग्रीकल्चर एंड रूरल डेवलपमेंट. ईजी क्वेश्चन था ये सब. Then which of them is not an institutional source of credit? That would be rural money lenders. Next is the objectives of land reform in India are, that would be all of these. Next question, there was a sum given to you, number 16 था ये, हाँ. So consider the following table. I am not reading on the table here. What is the AFC for the second unit and MFC for the third unit? AFC is equal to wage, which means AFC हो जाएगा 400 and MFC होता है हम लोग का change in total factor cost by change in your number of labors. तो इसमें आंसर होगा 400. तो ऑप्शन ए होगा, दोनों का ही 400 होगा यहाँ पे. Next, coming to number 7. How many banks in India were initially nationalized in 1969? It was 14 banks. Number 18, if MR is equal to 0 for all levels of output, TR curve will be parallel to the horizontal axis. Next question, number 19, in case of first degree price discrimination, consumer surplus 0 होता है क्योंकि यहाँ पे first degree price discrimination में consumer से maximum price extract किया जाता है, तो consumer का कोई benefit यहाँ पे रहता ही नहीं है, तो consumer surplus 0 हो जाता है. Next is number 20. The length of the discontinuity in MR under oligopoly depends on, that would be difference in the price elasticities. Number 21. Which of the following is not true? That is, in monopolistic competitive market there is only one seller. वो नहीं होता है, they have many sellers. Number 22. The most popular index of economic development is, बहुत लोगों का ये आंसर गलत हुआ है. They have marked PQLI. No, PQLI नहीं होगा. It would be HDI, Human Development Index. 23. When the unemployment arises due to people's inclination to work at a higher wage rate, it would be voluntary unemployment. Next, coming to the last set of the questions. Which of the following is a quantitative concept? That would be economic growth. Next, which one of the following is not true for real interest rate? Inflation has negligible impact on it. Then, which of the following is a part of current account in BOP? वो हो जाएगा income from exports. Then the sum total of the value of goods and services produced inside the geographical boundary, यहाँ पे geographical nation बोल दिया है, in a given fiscal year, inside बोला है, which means GDP होगा यहाँ पे. Then the factor demand is called derived demand होता है, और indirect demand भी अगर होता है that would have been the same. Indirect और derived demand बोला जाता है. Next question, what is the contribution of the secondary sector in the national income of India? That would be 25% to 30%. Last question, that is, which of these are not an effect of green revolution? That would be unchanged crop pattern. So these were the 30 questions of group B. So group A and group B, I have discussed all the answers. After you have gone through the entire video, do let me know in the comment section कि आप लोग का कितना answers यहाँ पे सही हुआ है. How much marks are you expecting? All the best for the remaining papers. Thank you.